In today's video, I am going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Zoho Crm projects. Duplicating a project in Zoho projects is easiest when you first turn your existing project into a project template, and then create a new project from that template. This approach helps you reuse the same structure again and again while keeping the original project unchanged. Start by looking at the left sidebar and clicking Projects. Once you are in the Projects area, switch over to the Project Templates tab. This is where Zoho stores reusable setups that you can launch new projects from, including tasks and other configurations that carry over from an existing project. Next, go to the top right and click the New Project Template button. This opens a form where you can create a template based on a project that already exists. Now find the Choose from Projects dropdown. Open it and select the project you want to duplicate. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct one, because the template will be based on whatever project you pick here. If your projects have similar names, pay close attention before you move on. After that, enter a template name. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify later, such as the original project name with the word template added, or a name that reflects the type of work the project represents. When you are ready, click Add Project Template. Zoho will save your new template, and it will now be available for creating fresh projects with the same foundation. Once the template is created, go back to the main projects list. From there, click New Project. This is the point where you will use the template to generate the duplicate project. In the new project setup, locate the Project Template dropdown. Open it and select the template you just created. As soon as you choose it, Zoho will use that template as the starting point for your new project, effectively giving you a duplicate that you can begin working on right away. That covers everything you need to know.